was right there. And so I walked in, 3 nights, 30 euros a night, which is a little more than I would typically want to spend. But right now, because of how I'm doing it, I'm just gonna have to. Albania and Montenegro will make up for a little bit of the money. But let me give you a tour of the room. So this is Hotel Anonymous. And so, yeah, it's the bathroom. And it is the first hotel that I've stayed in that actually gave me a tub. So that might happen. Every place else had a shower, which is fine. Give you a little teeny mini fridge. Check it out. So that'd be nice. And then this is it. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's exactly what I need because what I'm gonna do, oh, and I have a little balcony. Check this out. It's got a pretty, I think a pretty stellar view, even though, you know, it's more on the town side, but check those mountains out. I mean, in the morning, I'm gonna get up, have myself a little breakfast, look at the greenery. It'll be amazing. Yeah, so that is Hotel Anonymous. I am here for 3 nights, so that'll be cool. So right now I'm gonna do a little work. When all said and done, probably about 3 I'll head out, try to find some food and kind of just tour through the city and see what I can see and try to see if I can figure out where all the sites are. Supposedly everything's within walking distance, so that'll be good. Yeah, so let me get to work. Good morning, shadows. And so today it's my first full day in Olympia. Just got dressed, just got ready to go. Today I'm just gonna kind of go out. I'm leaving pretty early so I can get some maybe really cool Instagram pictures and really some cool video of like fairly empty Olympia. Everything is open today, so I assume later on during the day it'll get a little bit busier. It's like 9:30ish. That's all I'm doing today. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit all the archaeological sites. So let's see what we can find. So did a little work, and now I'm gonna go get some food, maybe grab something as a snack for later. Let's see what we got going on. Morning, shadows. So today is my last day in Olympia, and I am headed to the sites. But first, I'm gonna grab some breakfast from this little bakery and grab some money because I finally ran out of all the money that I pulled out right when I got to Athens. So pretty good money-wise. Nothing's been too expensive except the fact that hotels are costing about 30 euros, which is more than I wanted to pay. But when you're booking on the fly, I guess that's kind of what you settle on. But all in all, yeah, not too expensive. Like I said on that one, pretty much been spending about between 10 and 15 euros a day for food, and being just fine because they give a lot of food here. Alright guys, so let's start this day. I think when you're living a life that you're not really present for, right? You're just kind of going through the motions and everything. It's real easy to get lazy. And I think that's what happened to me. I became so in the rut, like thought like it was just like same thing every day, right? Get up, do this, do this, do this. That when you start experiencing where every day something there's different, and yeah, there's things that are consistent. I think it becomes real easy to be real active. It becomes real easy for your mind to engage. And so I think that's one of the benefits of travel, right? Is that there's something new every day. It keeps your mind stimulated. I read this article that says if you can keep your mind stimulated, then you'll live longer, you'll be healthier. And I think that's one of the benefits I think a lot of people maybe don't talk about in travel. We talk about a lot about understanding other cultures and everything, but I think more important when you're first starting is really understanding yourself. Yeah, that's pretty early. It's pretty early to be that philosophical, right? All right, let's get back to the walk. Alright guys, so headed out. You know, time for a meal kind of idea. See what I got. This is my last meal in Olympia. Let's see what's going on. So I really like to find little restaurants off of the way. Sometimes they're a little less expensive, and also like it just has more of a like a hometown feel than the city center. In Olympia, it's really touristy, so almost any restaurant you're gonna go to is gonna be a little touristy. But the ones that are off the main thoroughfare tend to be a little less. So let's see what we've got. So that's why I like doing smaller restaurants. The gentleman at Symposio, I ordered the baklava. We got to talking, and then when I went to settle the bill, the baklava was on the house. So, I mean, that's the nice thing about dealing with smaller restaurants.